Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going over some tips and tricks on the new Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. We're going to jump right in, but before we go over the first one, I'm going to go over tip number 0, which is simply swiping down from the top, upper right corner, click on the settings wheel, and you're going to go to display, and then we're going to go to screen timeout. We're going to change this to at least 2 minutes. That way your screen doesn't go off so quickly. So that's not even one of the tips. I'm just telling you, if you don't already do it, make sure you do that so your phone doesn't drive you crazy. All right, so tip number 1 is going to be how to get the app drawer back. So if you've used older Samsung phones, usually there's a little button in the corner here that you tap, and that's how you get to your apps. Well, the system is changing, and so now there's no button anymore. You basically swipe up. That's how you get to your apps. But if you're old school and you want that button back, here's how you get it back. You're gonna just press down on the home screen until you get to this menu. Tap on home screen settings, and then you're gonna go to apps button, and then we're gonna go show apps button and hit apply. Hit the home button, and now you have your apps button back. So if you like having that button there, that's how you get it back, and you know, there's your apps. Okay, our next tip is going to be a really great feature that all Samsung phones have, and it's simply called the quick launch camera. So just by hitting the home button twice, you can automatically launch your camera, and sometimes there's a great moment in front of you and you want to catch it but you don't remember where your camera app is. That's okay. All you gotta do is hit this button twice, and it automatically will launch your camera. The first time you do it, this notification will pop up and ask you if you want to keep it. Press keep on, and here's our camera, just like that. What you can also do is, even when your phone is off, maybe your phone's in your pocket, even double tapping here, your phone is off, even if it's, you're not using it, if you double tap, it'll still launch the camera for you. It'll wake up the phone and launch the camera. So great feature. I use it with every Samsung phone I have, and it's just a good thing to know about. So there is that. Our next tip is going to be, for those of you that use the hotspot on your phone a lot, there's 2 shortcuts you should know about to help you get to the hotspot quicker. The first one is swiping down, and if you use 2 fingers and swipe down, oh, didn't do it. 2 fingers and drag all the way down, it'll bring up the full notification menu, and you will have a mobile hotspot switch at the top here. So tapping that will automatically turn on your mobile hotspot. You will have to create your password the first time, but either way, that will automatically turn on your hotspot right there. The other way to do it is you can add a widget on your home screen and just tap it on your home screen. So let me show you how to do that. So hold down your screen, tap the widgets button, and just swipe left once, twice, and you will see your mobile hotspot. Put your finger on it and hold down, and then let go, and now we have our mobile hotspot button or switch. So all you have to do is just tap on here again to find your password. We're just going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Save. Press OK. So this is just the first time you do it, it'll ask you all this, but after that, it won't ask you again. And that's it. So tap on it, it's going to switch to on, and that easy, your mobile hotspot is on, and your phone is, basically broadcasting its internet. So you do have to have a specific plan in order to use the hotspot. So if you're not on the $60 plan or basically the high-end plan, you won't have that feature. Or the 50 or 60, either plan will give you hotspot. So that's just a really quick way to turn it on. And when you're finished, tap it again. It won't be lit up and it'll say off. So that's a cool thing I use a lot. Definitely wanted to share that for you guys as well. Our next tip is going to be the Galaxy App Store, which a lot of people just don't know about if you've never had a Samsung phone. But if you go to your apps and go to your Samsung folder, you have an app called Galaxy Apps. If you tap on that, you have another app store on the phone aside from the Google Play Store. And Samsung's app store is really cool because they have a ton of free apps, and they have special Samsung versions of apps that give you like, again, other free stuff that normal apps wouldn't give you. So like, these are exclusive apps made for Samsung. So like, when you download the Booking app or the Shutterfly app, there are additional free things you get by using their version of it. So you also have some special holiday apps here, some special games here. And Samsung does a lot of different partnerships to get exclusive content for Samsung phones. And this is how you access them, all through the Galaxy App Store. And then you'll find a lot of your other basic apps as well. But you know, it's got a nicer layout in the Google Play Store, and you just get more. That's the main thing. So make sure you go into the Galaxy App Store and just look around at all the different content that's available and download some stuff, because it's a great value. You can even download Microsoft Word or Excel for free as well. And just, there's a ton of stuff. So I won't just go through the whole thing. I'll let you go through it, but there's different categories up here. There's a ton of free stuff. Again, take advantage of it. Look right here. It says unlimited free 4x4 and 4x6 prints just by downloading their Shutterfly app. So I'm mad that I didn't download that on my Galaxy S9. I'm gonna do that tonight. Anyway, let's go back home, and that's the Galaxy App Store. Our final tip is gonna be how to change your lock screen app. So when you turn the phone on, you have these two shortcuts down here, and what's cool is you can just swipe from the corner and it'll automatically launch these apps. But maybe you say, well, I don't really want the phone there, the phone app and the camera. I want something else there. Let me show you how to change that. So let's swipe to unlock. We're gonna go to our settings, and we're gonna go to lock screen, and we're gonna go to app shortcuts. And for a left shortcut, we're gonna just tap there, and I'm gonna change that to Amazon because it's the season of shopping, and so you might have a quick idea of something you wanna buy. So hey, there it is. On the right, maybe you say, oh, I want YouTube because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. And that's it. So now, when you unlock your phone, these are your shortcuts, and you can swipe right here and it'll take you right to your YouTube app, or you can swipe the other way and go right to Amazon. So these are just a few tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star. We have a part 2 coming where we've got more tips as well, so keep an eye out for that. If you guys like this video or found it helpful, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more great content, and also follow us on Instagram at HTTechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.